Aloha, I'm Captain Tony. Thank you for booking your Poipu Sunset Tour with Captain Andes. Your adventure is coming up soon, and we'd like to take this moment to share with you what to expect.
Traffic can be congested sometimes on our island, so remember to give yourself plenty of extra driving time. Our boats do leave as scheduled. Check-in begins 30 minutes prior to your scheduled departure here at Kukui'ula Harbor.
From the roundabout in Poipu, follow the signs towards Spouting Horn and Lauai Road. The harbor is located right off Lauai Road and will be on your left-hand side. Please park in the dirt lot just outside the entrance of the harbor. It's always barefoot sailing in Hawaii. We ask that you please leave your shoes in our designated shoe bin. We will safely stow them for the duration of your trip.
Be sure to bring a light jacket with you. It can get chilly when the sun goes down. And if you've ever experienced motion sickness, it's a good idea to take preventative measures.
As you move around the boat, be sure to keep one hand on a handrail and both feet on the deck at all times. A good rule of thumb can be to use one hand for the handrail and one hand for your camera, drink, or loved one. You're welcome to bring your cameras, but use good judgment on when and how to use them. The front of the boat can be wet and wild on any day. It's usually drier towards the stern section or in the cabins.
There is a flat dash area inside the cabin for all of your stuff. It's the safest and the only dry spot on the boat. Everything else can get wet, that's just part of the adventure here at Captain Andes.
You will enjoy fresh gourmet appetizers prepared by our own culinary team. Soft drinks and water are served during the entire trip. We'll bring out the beer, wine, and our signature sneaky tiki as soon as we get out of the harbor. If you plan on enjoying an alcoholic beverage with us, please make sure to bring your valid picture ID.
At some point during the day, you might need to use the restroom. The only safe way to get down is to turn and face the ladders as you go up and down. Please use the handrails.
Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and we look forward to sailing with you soon. Aloha.